right, if Wes hits this shot, you have to subscribe to my channel. Here we go. Look at this, from way downtown. Boom, nailed it. For touring this beautiful Lakeville home with me today. If you would like to see this home in person and go on a private tour, please contact me directly. My contact information is noted in the description below. And as always, we will see you at the next home. All right, if I make this shot, you gotta subscribe to my channel. Oh!